To factory reset your JBL Live Pro 2 earbuds, first you will need to actually wear them. Otherwise you won't be able to complete a reset, as the touch gestures doesn't work when you don't wear those earbuds. So equip them on your ears, and then you will need to pick one of the earbud and click 2 times, and then click a 3rd time and hold it. It should look like this. So 1, 2, and 3. Now we hold it for around 5 seconds, and I'm gonna repeat that when those earbuds are in my ears, and it may take a few actual steps. You can retry it multiple times until you get a desired factory reset. So now let's try it when I'm wearing them. So my device just powered off, and they should disappear from the Bluetooth list, and our reset is finished.